Hey guys, friends found again. What's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to make an advanced uh, plugin form on Visual Basic 2010. This form will be, I think, the most advanced one on YouTube. So first, start up a new project, name it whatever you want. I'll name it my advanced login form. Then press enter or OK. Wait for the project to load up. Once that's done, resize the form so it's smaller and larger and wider, sorry. Add a text box, copy and paste, add another one, add a label, copy and paste two, and add two buttons, copy and paste again. Now take the label one and put it at the top left corner of the form, and under it add the label 2. Resize the first text box and the second. Now move the button under the label, the second text box, and so same for the second button. Gonna resize this label text box 1, sorry, text box 2, and move up button 1 and button 2. Rename the label 1 to username, label 2 will be password. Resize this text boxes so they don't look ugly, and the button 1 to OK, and the button 2 to exit. You can use icons instead of these buttons, but you can add the mouse hover and mouse lead. Just check out my tutorial on it and you'll be fine with it. Now we're gonna add two labels here. Copy and paste. Make the size bigger. Sorry, I have a lot of font, so it's a little slow. Wait for it. Okay, make it bigger and bold. That's okay. Same for label 2. Same size. I'll make them smaller so they don't look very ugly. 12 is good. Now rename the label 4 to password. Wrong, and label 2 to username wrong. Edit the fore color to red for both of them. And you can also add the panel, for panel, and add it as 2 panels. Resize them so this is they are a little bigger than the text boxes. Or we don't need it right now. We're gonna try with another way. Okay, now we're gonna double click the text box one and insert is the text box one text equals and to quote mark, then label string visible equals to false, false. Then if text box one text equals and choose your username, choosing trans sound for the tutorial, then label string text box one is label string dot visible equals to label the heck visible and label string dot for color equals color dot green, and also here the label string dot visible equals for text box string dot visible equals for label for dot visible equals for. What this will do is that we'll try it so you see what happens. Okay, wait for the form to show up. Okay, here it will show up now, and it's just sorry, I've missed it up of this, and it will be for form 1 dot load the load event. And now let's try it, and I'm sure it will show up what I want it to show up. See, nothing shows up, and now if copy this, paste it here, it's not, and text box 1 dot text and not, sorry, and not text box 1 dot text equals and your username, then if it's not, so the label string will be visible. So text is true, and label 2, where is label 2, it doesn't show up, and all of these doesn't show up. Now if the username is right, it will show up this label, and its color will be green, and the text will be it's not label 2, it's label 3, and label 3 dot text equals the username, right. And this, all of these will show up. So set all of them to true, true, and true. Okay, now it's done for the first text box, the username text box. See, it's not right. It shows up username is wrong. Now if we type in the wrong user, the right username, it will show up this 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 thing. This password don't have to show up, so it will stay false. Okay, now we will double click the password text box and copy all of this. We don't need it, we will type it on our own. If not, text box 1, text box 2 dot text equals and see equals now mark and not text box 2 dot text equals, and the password I will set it to password. Then the label 3 and the label 3 dot 4, sorry, 4 will be visible, and 2, sorry, equals 2, and the OK button, so button 1 dot label equals false. We will add it here also, button 1 dot label equals true, false, sorry, false. So it will, if the text box right here should be or same here, or so let's play until now. I think it's all working good. Now you see you can press OK, and if you type in anything, it will say username is wrong. Now let's type in our username, and here it doesn't show a password. So if you type anything, it will show a password is wrong. Now let's close this and go back and type in this text box e.text equals and set your password, which is password for the tutorial. Label 4.text equals password, right, and label 4 the for color equals color green, and button 4 button 1, sorry, we got label equals true. Now let's try it and see if it all works fine. Now let's type in our username and the password is password and OK is enabled. Also here we will set the password star to little star. So now if we type in anything, it will replace it with star. Now for the code, OK and Excite, it can vary depending on your application. So this will be end and this will be home2.help. Now if we add in a new Windows form and if we play or debug, press in anything, it won't show up until you type in #, and the password is just OK. Also something I forgot is inform1.help, the e.hide. Now let's try it. The username, the password, press OK. And here it is. Now it's working all fine. You can change this form to. You can also add more users. You just have to add in here, for example, and I have to stop debugging first, and here another text or text box 1.text equals and your other username, for example, YouTube, and same here, copy and paste it here, and the password can also vary. Now if you type in current sound, it will show up. If you type in YouTube, it will show up too. So thank you guys for watching. Sorry if this tutorial is a bit long, but it's worth it. So thank you guys for watching. See you in another video, another tutorial on Visual Basic.